Bitcoin is $79,000 and silver is $79 an ounce, and that is not a coincidence. They are the same trade. Let me explain. Bitcoin hit 126,000 in October last year, then it corrected to 60,000, a 52% drawdown. Silver hit $121 an ounce in January this year, then it crashed to 62, a 49% drawdown. In weeks, however, not months, weeks. Same highs, same lows, same corrections, same recovery, ladies and gentlemen. Two completely different assets drawing the exact same chart. Now, here's the problem. The bullion industry has been selling you silver as a safe haven for decades. It's the poor man's gold, they say, the inflation hedge you need to have. But as a safe haven, it does not drop 40% in a few weeks. That is not protection, that is amplification. Silver's annualized volatility runs between 35 and 50%. Gold is 18%. Silver is not gold's quiet sibling. Silver is a leveraged bet on currency debasement. Now, why does silver move like this? Two simple reasons. First is supply. The Silver Institute just confirmed a 215 million ounce deficit for 2026. That is the 6th year in a row, over 1 billion ounces of cumulative shortfall since 2021. New mines take 5 to 10 years to come online. Now, second, silver has split demand, industrial demand, which is pro-cyclical, and monetary demand, that is counter-cyclical. When both are pulling in the same time, the price gets volatile. And this is happening right now. Bitcoin has the same structural dynamic, fixed supply, 21 million coins, no mining response to price, no central bank vault to open when demand surges. Price is the only variable, and it is happening right now. Implied volatility sits around 42%, right in the middle of silver's range. But here's the difference. Bitcoin just got Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs launching their own Bitcoin ETFs in the same week. No bank is building a proprietary silver income fund for their wealth management clients. The institutional infrastructure is being built for Bitcoin, not silver. And the valuation gap is enormous. Bitcoin sits at $1.6 trillion in market cap, roughly the same as investable silver, but ARK Invest projects Bitcoin reaching $16 trillion by 2030. That is a 10x from here. Now, ladies and gentlemen, gold is the anchor. 18% volatility, steady appreciation, that is your safe haven. Silver and Bitcoin are the amplifiers, the same trade, the same volatility, the same thesis, currency debasement with leverage. If you hold silver and you do not hold Bitcoin, you are making the leverage debasement bet through a 5,000-year-old instrument while ignoring the one built for the digital age, trading at the same price with 10 times the addressable market ahead of it. If you would like to receive the full article breaking down the same trade thesis, please comment silver and I'll send it directly to your DMs. I also encourage you to share this with someone who needs to understand that Bitcoin and silver are the exact same trade.